Made of the industry-leading material TORRAS, the silicone clear case only adds natural plant antioxidant molecules and baby pacifier-grade silicone, offering the anti-ultraviolet rays effects, increasing the case's anti-yellowing, ultra-clear as you need. It's one of the most expensive, subversive material to keep clear. It's used in high-grade cosmetics. Transparent enough to show the beauty of its original. The Crystal Clear compatible for iPhone 14 case combines a protective structure and ultra-thin design. You can take it anywhere with greater portability. Slim fit, work faster with 99% wireless chargers. Of course, the pairs perfectly with most screen protectors in market. Promise to accompany your new iPhone in full joys and full responsibility. You don't have to choose between a protective case and a stylish one.